Hi, my name is Vitaly and I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and one of the ways that I make money in this business is that I write product reviews for different things that I own and sometimes things that I don't own. Now real quick before I explain the main subject of this article, I want to show you some income reports that I have which you can check out on the link that I will share below this video. And these are affiliate stats, affiliate income reports for a program that I promote called Wealthy Affiliate. Now this program that I promote actually it's on one major site that I run, and on this site I promote the Wealthy Affiliate program, and one of the ways that I do it is I review other programs that teach people the process of making money online, of which I think Wealthy Affiliate is the best. And I tell people when I review products that, hey, so-and-so program is good or so-and-so program is not so good, but I do recommend Wealthy Affiliate as my top choice, and these income reports are a reflection of that strategy. Now, sometimes in this business, you're going to come across a situation where you may have to review products that you don't own. So the question that arises is, how do you actually do that? How do you review stuff that you don't own while keeping things ethical and honest, which is something that I endorse doing 100%. So in order to answer that, let me just say that the best place to be if you're reviewing a product is actually owning it. But if you don't own it, there are ethical and honest ways around that situation. And the link that I'm going to include below this video is going to give you a step-by-step process. In fact, here is a quick preview of it right here. This is going to get through the step-by-step stuff that I go through when it comes to reviewing products that I don't actually own. But in a nutshell, what I do is, whatever product that I review that I don't own, I make a very important disclaimer on my blog or on my article that, hey, I don't own this product, so-and-so, which would kind of dismiss anyone reading it from taking me seriously. But at the same time, there's a very key component that you need to understand if you're going to sell stuff that you don't actually own, which is if you have experience with the product or the types of products that the niche that it belongs to, then you can actually make up for that lack of buying it. So for example, I have a boxing glove over here. This boxing glove costs several $100s. I'm not kidding. It's winning. You can check it out for yourself if you don't believe me. And if I were creating a website on, let's say, reviewing different boxing gloves, if I were to start buying every single boxing glove that there is out there, I'd probably go bankrupt. But the fact that I have this boxing glove, I would write a review on this, say, hey, this is so-and-so boxing glove. These are my experiences with it, so-and-so. And if I were to review another glove, one, say, for example, that I don't own, I would make it a point that, hey, I don't own so-and-so boxing glove, but I do own this glove. I've been using it for years, blah, blah, blah. And what you're doing by basically stating that is you're kind of taking that initial dismissal of, oh, hey, this person didn't buy this product, so I don't need to read this review. And you're countering that with, I have experience with the said topic because I have so-and-so glove, which is the one that I just showed you. And what this does is that it keeps things honest, and it helps your readers take you seriously. Here's another example for you. This right here is a drone. This drone is $800. And I have a site that promotes drones. I actually have 5 drones altogether, but there's way more than 5 drones in the market. And if I were to review every single drone that is out there on the market, if I were to buy every single drone that I want to review in this market, I would have to spend a lot of money. And I'm not someone that has some kind of company backing him up and paying me for writing reviews, and they don't buy me the products, and I don't have a limitless amount of money either to spend on all this stuff. So I have to rely on my own money and my own independent content creation and my own product reviews to make the sales. So if, for example, I were promoting a drone that I don't own, the way that I would do that would be just like I showed you with the boxing glove example, which is, hey, I don't own so-and-so drone, but I own this drone, and I've done this for years. I have experience with the drone industry, and again, the very fact that I'm stating that is already countering the fact that I didn't buy the other drone, so you're keeping things honest. Now, in addition to that, one of the other strategies that I do for products that I don't own is that I will obviously research them. I'll look up the products on Amazon, or I'll look up other blog reviews on it, and basically paraphrase the information that I found on it. So you're keeping things honest, you're reporting on stuff, and it's keeping things ethical altogether. Last point I want to make is about the Wealthy Affiliate program that I was just showing you, which is right over here with the income reports. One of the things that I come across when I promote Wealthy Affiliate, and like I said before, I review other programs that are similar to Wealthy Affiliate, is very often I'll come across scams, work-at-home scams. And what I'll do is when I review a program that I didn't buy, very often I do buy them, but there's times when I don't, I will say, hey, I didn't buy so-and-so program because of so-and-so red flags that I found, but I have, let's say, 15 years experience in affiliate marketing. I'll show them the income reports that I just showed you. And again, it negates that point about not buying the product. And what happens is that when you have a lot of experience in whatever product that you're promoting in the subject, whatever the case is, you're basically letting people know, hey, I'm not some kind of schmo that doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I have experience in so, and that's going to make people trust you again. Now, again, I gave you the basic summary of how things work, but in terms of the structure of how to set up your written product reviews, or maybe if you make them on YouTube, whatever the case is, I have a step-by-step format that's included in the link below this video, and it's going to show you how to navigate this particular area while keeping things ethical. So with that said, I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions whatsoever, please leave it underneath this video or leave it underneath the link that I will leave below to it, which will take you to this article, which basically talks about the same subject, but in far greater detail. So thanks again for watching, and have a great day.